Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best glass cloths is probably one of the most important yet often overlooked aspects of maintaining clear vision. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cleaning cloths specifically designed for glasses, exploring various materials, designs, and cleaning techniques to help you find the perfect cloth that will keep your glasses sparkling clean and free from smudges, streaks, and scratches, ensuring optimal vision and extending the lifespan of your eyewear investment. We will review several top contenders to help you make an informed decision. Number 5. CareTouch Lens Wipes. Say hello to the easiest way to keep your glasses, screens, and other delicate devices sparkling clean. These individually wrapped wipes are perfect for on-the-go cleaning. With 210 wipes in each pack, you'll always have a clean wipe ready. Their compact size makes them perfect for your purse, pocket, or travel bag. It cleans effectively without leaving streaks or residue. You'll love how quickly they dry and leave your lenses spotless. The soft material is gentle on even the most delicate surfaces. It's safe for glasses, camera lenses, and more. Each wipe is a generous 5 by 6 inches, big enough for even your largest screens and lenses. They're perfect for all your devices. These wipes offer a quick and easy cleaning solution wherever you are. Keep them handy for spotless lenses and screens anytime, anywhere. What we like? It's pre-moistened and individually wrapped, making it incredibly convenient for on-the-go cleaning. If you're always on the move and need a quick and easy way to clean your glasses, this is perfect for you. Its portability makes it ideal for keeping your glasses and screens clean anytime, anywhere. What people say? They leave my phone nice and clean without leaving that annoying foggish wetness after. These screen cleaning wipes are an absolute game changer. They easily remove fingerprints, smudges, and dust from my devices without leaving any streaks behind. The wipes are soft yet durable, providing a gentle but effective cleaning experience. They're pre-moistened, making it convenient to use on the go. They seem to have about the right amount of fluid to clean 1 or 2 pairs of glasses, if you move quickly for the second pair. Generally, there's enough cleaning fluid to clean my glasses or phone screen thoroughly but not too much to keep them from drying quickly. Number 4. Koala Lens Cleaning Cloths. It's meticulously crafted from ultra-dense Japanese microfiber. This effortlessly absorbs dirt and oils, leaving your lenses spotless every time. Unlike other microfiber cloths, it's engineered for superior performance. The ultrafine fibers are totally lint-free, ensuring a perfect clean. It's perfect for all your lenses and screens. From glasses and cameras to VR headsets, it provides unparalleled cleaning power. It's washable and reusable dozens of times, reducing waste and maximizing value. Just hand wash with cold water and mild soap, then air dry. Koala is trusted by millions for precision lens and device care. It's our commitment to quality that sets us apart. What we like? This one is made from high-quality Japanese microfiber, known for its superior cleaning power and reusability. If you are looking for a long-lasting, eco-friendly solution that delivers exceptional cleaning performance, this is the choice for you. It's a sustainable alternative to disposable wipes, saving you money and reducing waste in the long run. What people say? They clean my glasses better than anything else I have. They're close to the cloths that come with my prescription glasses from optometry but better. They work perfectly and have never scratched anything I've used them on. They take care of smudges and fingerprints and dirt with ease. The quality of the microfiber is noticeably better than other cloths I've used before. It feels soft yet dense, which helps lift away smudges and dust without scratching the lenses. A single pass is usually enough to get my glasses crystal clear. Number 3. Claro Microfiber Glass Cloths. Say goodbye to streaks and chemical cleaners. These cloths make cleaning glass surfaces quick and easy. It's a 2-step process. First, use the green cloth to dampen the surface. Then, buff it to a sparkling shine with the blue cloth. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can clean your windows, mirrors, and more, leaving them spotless. They're an environmentally friendly alternative to harsh sprays. Just water is all you need for amazing results. These cloths are machine washable, so you can use them hundreds of times. Detailed care instructions are included. Each pack contains 6 16 by 16 inch glass cleaning cloths and 2 12 by 12 inch all-purpose cloths. Start cleaning smarter today. What we like? It's designed for a streak-free and lint-free clean, leaving your glasses sparkling. If you value a spotless finish and prefer a chemical-free cleaning method, you'll love this. Plus, it's machine washable, making it a convenient and cost-effective option for regular use. What people say. They clean effortlessly, leaving behind a streak-free, crystal-clear shine with minimal effort. Whether it's eyeglasses, mirrors, windows, or even delicate camera lenses, these microfiber cloths pick up dust, fingerprints, and smudges with ease. No need for excessive wiping or harsh chemicals. First, wet the green cloth, wring out excess water so it's just damp, and wipe down the glass surface. Before the water can dry, follow up with a clean and dry blue towel. Buff the whole surface completely dry, and what you're left with is a wonderful streak-free shine. No chemicals necessary, none of those hidden streaks that only show in the right lighting. This is easily the best glass cleaning system I've used. The green cloth I rinsed in warm tap water, wrung out that cloth and starting at the top wiped the window, paying attention to corners and edges to be sure I had wiped the whole area. Using the blue cloth dry, started back again at the top and paying the same attention to edges and corners, wiped dry the window. Beautiful. No smudges, smears, streaks, fibers or lint on the window. Number 2. Elite Tech Gear Microfiber Cloths. These oversized microfiber cloths are perfect for cleaning all your electronic devices and delicate surfaces. They easily wipe away fingerprints and smudges, leaving everything sparkling clean. Made with premium microfiber, they're gentle enough for eyeglasses and screens, yet tough enough to remove dirt and grime. No scratches, streaks, or marks left behind. Their compact size makes them ideal for carrying in your pocket, bag, or case. Always have a clean cloth on hand, wherever you go. This economical 4-pack provides plenty of cloths for all your cleaning needs at home, in the office, or on the go. Each cloth is individually wrapped for easy storage. They're environmentally friendly, reusable, easy to wash, and quick drying. Watch the video for tips on care and usage. Elite Tech Gear stands behind its products. Your satisfaction is guaranteed, so you can buy with confidence. What we like? These oversized cloths are incredibly soft and gentle on delicate surfaces, yet effective at removing smudges and fingerprints. If you need a cloth that's both effective and gentle on your glasses and screens, this is a great option. Its compact size makes it easy to carry around, ensuring you always have a cleaning solution at hand. Number 1. 6-pack Microfiber Cleaning Cloths. These cloths are perfect for all your cleaning needs. Their microfiber material makes them super absorbent and fast drying. They quickly dry large surfaces, leaving them streak-free. Experience the superior absorbency and quick drying time. With a soft, plush touch, they're designed to catch lint, dust, and dirt. Say goodbye to streaks and lint. Made of high-quality, durable microfiber, they're built to last. The thick, durable material ensures long-lasting performance. Use them on glasses, windows, mirrors, and more. They're perfect for cleaning almost any surface in your home or car. These cloths are machine washable and reusable hundreds of times. Simply wash and reuse for long-lasting cleaning power. What we like? These cloths are super absorbent and fast drying, making them ideal for cleaning large surfaces quickly and efficiently. If you need a cloth that's both absorbent and quick drying, this is a great option. Their durability ensures they can withstand frequent use and washing, providing long-lasting value. What people say. They work great for my needs and are a good value for the money. You get 6 of these for about 10, and I just looked up the Norwex price online and they are 25 each plus shipping. They are of comparable thickness, I can't really tell a difference by feel. They have the 2 slightly different textures on each side, like Norwex, one more for cleaning, the other more for buffing. They are better than my beloved Fly Lady rags. I've been on a cleaning spree, watching in awe as each swipe on my glass stove top and stainless steel fridge left 0 streaks. And the water? It vanished into the rag as if by magic. They are 16 by 16 inches, color me intrigued. For a mere 17.98, I snagged not 6, but 12 rags by ordering 2 sets. These microfiber cloths are next level when it comes to streak-free glass cleaning. Seriously, your windows will be flexing. Leaves no streaks, great material, super absorbent and soft. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.